Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, your friend and host and English instructor Muhammad Hasnain, once again with all of you people. Today we are going to be one of the most asked and one of the most so-called difficult, but in my eyes it is very easy, that type of topic, and that topic is, yes, none other than phrase. Yes, phrases, the topic that we all have somehow problems in. People watching my videos and other people's videos before papers, lots of people told me that we have this problem and we want it because our papers are soon gonna come. So I thought, why not to do this topic, and let's get started with our topic. So now, for example, what is phrase? Phrase number one, conditions. These are conditions. Phrase is actually, for example, adjective or a group of words. Actually, not adjective. I'm not going to give that that grammar meaning. Actually, phrase is a group of word with no subject-verb combination, no meaning if used alone, with a sentence has a meaning. For example, it doesn't have no subject-verb combination. For example, if we say he bought a cool car, there will be no connection, no combination between them, simply. No meaning if used alone. If we say a cool car, or if we say a cool, if we say like this, a beautiful, so will it make sense? No. It won't make sense. So here, a cool car is the phrase that we are using. With the sentence makes a meaning. If we say a cool, or if we say a cool car, so will it make sense? Yes, it will say that wow, खूबसूरत गाड़ी या ठंडी गाड़ी. हम ये तो बोल सकते हैं कि yes, cool car. बट हम ये नहीं पूरे मीनिंग नहीं दे सकते कि हमारे लफ्ज़ का मीनिंग क्या. What do we want to say? So for example, the example is here, I bought a cool car. The cool car, a cool car is phrase. So here we have our pronoun, noun, or simply subject. Then we have the action, the verb he did. He bought the car, he drove the car, like this. The action he did was actually here. So pronoun or noun plus any kind of form of the verb, it's up to you. Buy, bought, and bought, you can use second form or third form if you want. And a cool car, a phrase. You will use a phrase. Now, it is not that much easy. It will have some other types that I'll upload soon on my video. So stay tuned for those types, and until that time, thank you so much for being with me. This was all about phrases. Level 1, the easy one. There are, of course, a lot of things other than phrases in this. So I hope you understand today's basic level, and soon I'm going to upload the advanced level. So I hope you enjoy that.